What's going on, guys? We are heading to New Jersey tonight for Ratchet Fridays, and tomorrow I will be at First Class Fitment, so I hope to see you guys there. But first off, I'm trying to get out of Philly with all this traffic during rush hour to get to Ratchet Fridays. So I'm gonna try and navigate there and get there somewhat on time to try and get some footage, because I know the sun goes down early. I mean, it went down like 6:30 last night and the event starts at 6, so I'm trying to get there a little bit early, but it's not looking too good. So we'll see what happens. Alright, so we made it to the event. Guys are starting to roll in. I'm gonna start shooting with my gimbal since it's already dark out. And it's only 6:30. I'm a half hour late due to traffic. So you'll see I'll put some footage here so you guys can preview it, but definitely check out the cinematic for the rest of the video.